Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTech with the unboxing of Motospeed Bluetooth BK200 keyboard. And this is a minimalistic Apple-like keyboard for your Apple devices that can also be connected with Windows and Android operating systems. Now, this keyboard costs significantly less from an Apple keyboard, but the whole packaging seems to me really cheap and simplistic. Not that I'm really fond of it, but I'm expecting to see a really plasticky keyboard that we are actually going to find out after we open the box. As you can see, the keyboard is straightforward. We have an Apple layout with a command key. And let me remove the packaging so that we can take a closer look. As you can see, this is a standard US layout. The keys are the same like an Apple keyboard, and this is a first. This is a caps lock LED indicator that I actually have not seen to any other similar keyboard from a Chinese manufacturer. On the back of the keyboard we can find 4 rubberized feet and no ergonomic adjustment, and on the upper right side there is a micro USB and an on-off switch. I can notice some white patches here, that means poor paint job, at least on this side of the keyboard. And let's check out what's inside the secret compartment of this box. Okay, we have a manual and a USB to micro USB cable. That's for charging the internal battery of this keyboard. And this is not actually a really long cable, so I suppose you must connect it to your power bank while on the go or a USB hub. And last but not least, we have all the documentation. Here I suppose this is the warranty only in Chinese and a manual, and thankfully there are a lot of languages here, including European ones, most importantly English. Actually, I've noticed there's a specific set of keys that you should press in order to enter pairing mode before you can actually connect it with your device. So you should actually check your manual first. Now, other than that, there is an empty box, there is nothing else inside. So let's check the keyboard itself. But first let me connect the cable and see if the battery needs some boost. Usually I will connect this to a USB hub, but let's check here if the on-off switch is actually working with some left inside power. Okay, this blue LED indicates that this keyboard is on and perhaps we have some power left in the battery. And let us press the caps lock here, and actually it seems that some charging is required before we can operate this keyboard. Anyhow, we can check the rest of the keyboard. Actually, I really like this slim profile. It doesn't take a lot of space on your desk, you can move it around with your mobile device, and the typing on it feels really great. Now, the build quality is not something to brag about, but actually at this price point I cannot find something really better. So overall I can highly recommend this over some other keyboards. This was the unboxing of Motospeed BK200 Bluetooth keyboard. From ADEXTech, thank you for watching.